war. 2 p.m. 100 yards, coming in hot. All right, we're out here sword fishing, you guys. Jamie said, dude, let's catch a man-o-war fish. They live in the man-o-war jellyfish. He just dip netted a whopper. Look at the size of that man-o-war fish right there. Now this is a Portuguese man-o-war. That thing is very dangerous. If it stings you, you will cry. But no, we're gonna do a man-o-war fish, catch, clean, and cook. I don't think it's ever been done before. Mason back down the bananas, you know, he's all about it. He said he wants to try it, so we're gonna find out, but just check that on out there. You know, the rumor is they're a delicacy, so we're gonna find out if they're really that good eating. And we have a swordfish on over here too. There's a swordfish on there as well, so let's see if he stays.
Arbor. Got my weed.
Here he comes, big man-o-war coming in hot. Nice school of fish there.
I got him!
I got him! There you go, baby. Big man-o-war.
Oh yeah.
Come show him.
We got him right here.
Look at that. That's a Portuguese man-o-war fish. It's supposed to be a delicacy. One baby one, one big one. There's thousands of Portuguese man-o-war here right now. They're everywhere. They're coming through. There's a big migration. We got one right there. Good job, James. What are you doing, Mason?
We're keeping our pets alive, dude. Dude, look, it's pumping up. Look, it just pumped up. It just pumped up. Look, it's pumping up.
There he is, man-o-war off the bow. 25 yards.
Did I get him?
Oh, look at that gumdrop. He'll eat.
One fish stick.
He'll eat good. He likes fish sticks.
Pelagic fish stick. Thanks, Mom. There's another one coming
Straight ahead, 12 o'clock.
Right here.
20 yards. The pressure's on.
Dude.
He missed 2 in a row.
Dude, get camouflage.
If I miss,
get camouflage.
oh, they're not gonna see me coming. Here he is. Oh, what's up, dog? What's up? Got one. Smoked him. He said there was no fish.
I caught a little one earlier. Caught a little one earlier.
Oh, we're on the board.
Big moose, baby, big moose.
Dude, Jamaican Mike is eating good tonight.
Dude, he's gonna show us cookies. So that fish was up inside them. They like to hide, but this is the man-o-war run. They're everywhere out here. We've just been coming through all day. You have to be careful. This could put you in the hospital. You gotta be very careful. You gotta be very careful. That thing could sting you and put you in the hospital.
Keep that thing away.
Dude, he's killing him.
Look, he's killing the man-o-war's got him.
Dude, don't let him eat him before we get to
He's got it right now.
wasting our dinner.
Oh, he's stuck in there. Look, the fish can't go anywhere. Did he get out?
I'm out here barefoot.
Yeah!
Here comes another one. Get ready. Here he comes, coming in hot.
12 o'clock, 20 yards. He's right here.
All right, Captain, forward
pressure's on. The last one.
I got more fish than you now, Paul. Hey, there's one in front of it too.
No way.
Oh, he's right here. Here
I got
he is.
you. I got
Oh, hold on.
He's going in!
I missed him. Hey, Nick, there's a record up here. I mean, that thing's got to be a foot across. Like, the girth on this thing.
You want the
is
dart
ridiculous.
or the net?
We might need a gaff.
We might need the
big gaff.
Get the dart, Mason.
This could be a record, guys. Get ready.
Straight ahead, 12 o'clock. He's like 70 feet away.
Taking the wind on us, we have to cut an angle on him.
All right.
Look at the
He's
crest
right
on him.
here, 1 o'clock. He's giant. Oh my God, dude, it's a record. He's right. Just go straight. You might have to get the gaff. Oh my God.
Is he holding?
He's holding.
He's holding fish! Oh! Ah, I missed him! You got him! Get him! Get him!
He got him! Get the gaff! I missed him.
He's right there.
Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is.
Put the jellyfish
He's
back
deep.
in.
He's deep.
Drop the jellyfish, they'll come to him.
Keep for it.
Drop the jellyfish. Decoy. Deploy the decoy.
Hold on. Don't stick him yet. Don't.
Oh, here he comes, here he comes.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh,
He's
there's a
gonna
whole
eat.
school
He's
of
gonna eat.
They're schooling up.
Gaff. Oh my
Mason,
God.
get the dart ready.
This one's for you.
Where they at?
He's right here. Straight ahead.
There he is.
Oh!
Go deep.
Oh, I got two! Double header! Double header! Oh man, look! took me a couple shots, but
Good work.
be very careful. They're super rare. They're almost extinct. Oh! You can feel the electricity in this thing. Here, lick that. We're in the Atlantic Man of War run. They're trophies. I mean, that size doesn't get any bigger. Look at that thing. It's huge. You touch that thing, you might be hospitalized.
That was an epic Man of War fish run. You know, the jellyfish was pouring through. And there's literally thousands of them out here. That was good. We're cleaning up the mess now, and I can't wait to take them back there and eat them. I've always wanted to try to eat one. If we can find Jamaican Mike, I don't think he's ever eaten one, but maybe we'll ask if he can cook one up for us. Alrighty, now to cook up these, you know, these fish, they're like a delicacy. I have no idea to cook them. These fish live with this thing. Jamaican Mike, we told him we got a special fish we wanted him to cook. He says cooking small fish like that is a specialty. Mike, come over here.
Yo.
Now these fish are very unique fish.
Really?
Yeah, they live in this thing right here. You know what that is?
Yo. Wait a minute. That's a jellyfish.
That's a big jellyfish.
Yeah, man.
That's a man of war jellyfish. There's a fish called a man of war fish. He lives in the tentacles. He swims in it.
Yo.
This one looks like almost like a little fish in there almost already. But he's got little fish that live with him. We want you to cook up those fish. You think you can cook them?
The little one them here?
Nah, they're in the cooler in the ice.
Oh, they little like that.
Yeah, they're little like that. Yep. You cook them?
Yeah, man. I'll cook them up.
You guys stay tuned.
Yeah.
Mike's gonna cook them. Now don't touch this thing because he'll sting you. All right?
Yeah, this one I don't want to mess with. You know.
I don't know.
For
Can you
real.
cook that thing? I don't know about that. So
I have to do some research on that
stay
one.
tuned.
You know?
Man of war fish coming up. I don't know if it's ever been done before. Maybe not on YouTube. I've never done it. We're gonna see what Mike can whip up. There it is.
Yo, you look like a sprat. You know me feeling? Oh, what? He looks good. Pretty fish.
He ain't very big, but that's the freshest one. Everybody ate the other ones already. I think they're gone. I mean, I don't know who ate them,
See,
but
guys, it's that big.
that's that big.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, man.
Let's go
For
prep
real.
them. We're gonna fry them on up, Jamaican style.
Yes, I. So we got the Everglades theme, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. Energy.
How we
John
gonna prep them? We gotta gut them first.
Yeah, we're gonna go them. I never. Well, as I say, it remind me of this fish in Jamaica called sprat.
Now I don't know if anybody's eating these here.
But I never cook or eat a fish like this before.
We're gonna find out how he tastes.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Let me see if he got scales.
Yeah.
He got scales.
Oh yeah.
Look, he got little scales on him. John star. All right, I'm gonna scale him off real nice. Head on everything, cause we're gonna eat the head on everything.
Oh boy.
Yeah, man.
Just don't let me wash him down the drain.
You know, yeah, man. He's delicate, very soft. He's a delicacy, man.
I heard they're delicacies, so that's why we're so excited to try this fish. You know, I don't even know how many people have ever eaten these things.
So let's cut him and see what's inside look like. Oh, this is a good fish. Yo, this is a good fish. I know it is a good fish by looking at it. Really remind me of the little fish that we had in Jamaica.
It's a female. That's roe, huh?
It's a female?
I think it's that roe. Maybe.
Oh.
I don't know. It might be eggs. Hard to tell.
Could be, yeah. Yo. God of mercy. Yeah, man. I like this. You see, and it's easy to clean up too.
Yeah.
Nick, you gotta get some more. You see if this fish tastes good, Nick? You gotta bring in some more of these fish.
Yeah, be out there.
Don't fry up a bunch of them.
We need somebody out there with a
The
net.
eye, look at the eye come out and suck. Look at the eye. The eye come out and look at that. You see that? It's so delicate that the eye is falling out.
You can see the bones already, huh?
Yeah, these bones, you're gonna basically, let me see something. You're gonna basically can eat these bones. You see how small them is?
Yeah.
You're gonna basically can eat these bones. I know you're gonna be able, when it's fried, you're gonna get crispy. But,
I hope it gets crispy when we
yeah, I
fry
can't eat it now because it's not
Okay.
crispy, but it's so soft, they're so delicate and soft. Rinse out my hand real quick. Thank you, Nick. A piece of it stuck, a piece of little bone stuck by my mouth. Alright, we got it. It's simple. We're gonna fry it up and you can just take him and eat him like that. No.
Okay.
All of them, you see it there?
He's ready?
One more little spray off. Because we're not put him in no lime and vinegar.
Yeah.
But yeah, see it there? I'm gonna fry him up. I like it. See, inside clean up. You lost one arm eye though. See, one arm eye kind of
You
go
still
in.
got one to eat. Let's go fry him up.
Yeah, let's do it. Already, man. I put just some salt, pepper, and a little Everglades seasoning. Simple, you know? And that's some black pepper right there.
I could put some salt on him.
Yeah, man. Put a little salt.
All right,
Yeah,
I'll
that's
salt
good.
him up.
Yeah, that good. Yeah, man. And then have the Everglades, you know, Everglades season. Put a little of that. Make him, you know,
That one's for
fancy.
you, Robert.
Yo, for real. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, top him.
Flour?
What do you mean say? Yeah, well, I put some flour. This I salt, put a little touch more salt. So yes, I'm tasty, you know.
This is a delicacy now, you guys. I don't know how many people eating these. I never have.
Simple.
You ready?
Yeah, that's true, some true, yeah. Yeah.
We going or more? Oops.
Yeah, oh, man, yeah, flour, yeah, sorry about
I
that.
got my eyes up.
Oh, yo! So you see more flour up, I know, seeing? And the wind blowing too, you know, so it's ready. I'm gonna drop him in my frying pot now. So watch this. He's going to fry right now.
30 miles out.
Spread, go in, go in. Yeah, one eat. This is just one eat. One eat. No. All right. Put him up. Drop him in that frying pot now. All right, ready?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go.
Frying up nice already. See it? And then quickly frying up. 5 minutes or less. And ready. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a good fish, yo. Oh, he looks good. He looks delicious. Yeah, man. You see, all of this are gonna be crispy. These are gonna be crispy. The fins are gonna be crispy. They look like you have 200. See it? But we call them sprat. I know it come from the sprat family for sure. By the smell and everything, I know it's gonna tasty and nice.
I don't know nobody that's ever eaten one though. We're gonna find out.
Yeah, man, straight. Cook already, man.
I can see him turning white already.
Yeah, see them cooking out to look on and see it and fry already. But this one make him look more crispy. Yeah. Oh shit. Alright, Nick, take control. Like in like 30 seconds, just clip him. I'm gonna get a piece of aluminum foil to put him on.
Okay,
when I come back.
This is a delicacy here. This is Islamorada special right here. Look at this. This is Jamaican way, whole fried. Little Everglades, salt and pepper, some oil, frying them on up. I just wish the Cali guys were still here. They took off. It was an awesome swordfish camp. They had a blast and caught a lot of fish, had a lot of fun. Potato chip.
Let's take a chip, watch it. Alright, this is the whole fish head right here. This is the head. Gone. Mud. Delicious. Yo, I want the best eating fishes. No.
Alrighty, that's all we got, you guys. That's a man of war fish, catch, clean, and cook off Islamorada. What a fun group of guys. Mike, thanks for cooking it. You did awesome.
Respect.
You guys tried it at home. They're whole fresh fish. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Check out the new merch there. That's one of our new hats right there. Flexfit, just like that. Mike's got one of the originals there. We're getting back to eating fish here. We're going back to work at Bud and Mary's. Beautiful afternoon here, and hopefully we'll see y'all down here.
Yeah, man. Delicious. Rachel Way would say delicious. That's it right there. What? I will eat another one right now. I tell you, I won't fire about a dozen of this. I just eat them. What's that now? That's good. Very good delicious fish.
There's no fish left. It's all gone.
Done. Real proper.
Joey, try to stop.
We got a lot of crazy submissions there, you guys. A lot of cool fish caught. But the winner was Chuck Reed. He caught a 7-foot 3-inch halibut in the Bering Sea, estimated at 375 pounds. He was serving the Coast Guard there. He was aboard the cutter, and they finished their duty early so they could fish. They fed the entire ship. People even had fish to take back home. And it was really cool reading that story. They got to use a homemade harpoon on it. As a thank you for everyone that submitted, I want to give the winner, Chuck Reed, a hat. Thanks for watching the videos, and thanks for serving the Coast Guard there and keeping us safe at sea. Hopefully we'll see you down here at Bud Mary's one day.
Put him in the bucket. I can feel some on it.